US-backed Israeli genocide in Gaza enters day 75. Gaza, pic. As the US-backed Israeli genocidal war on the Gaza Strip entered day 75 on Wednesday, massive aerial and artillery strikes continued to pound and level whole blocks and homes and massacre more civilians, mostly children and women. A reporter for the Palestinian Information Center, PIC, said that the Israeli occupation army carried out attacks on different areas of Gaza last night and on Tuesday, targeting homes, civilian gatherings and shelter centers, and massacring dozens of citizens. According to local sources, a large number of martyrs and wounded civilians were reported in the morning in the Abu Khalifa area behind the Hira Mosque, while their neighbors are unable to reach them because of the intensity of the Israeli bombardment. Casualties were also reported in an Israeli attack on a school housing displaced families in Al Sabra neighborhood in Gaza City. The Red Crescent said that one of its ambulance centers in Jabalia in northern Gaza is under tight siege by the Israeli army, pointing out that there are 127 people inside it, including displaced families, wounded civilians, and employees. The Red Crescent added that 12 people, including some of its employees and displaced civilians, were injured at its headquarters in Khan Yunis following Israeli strikes on a nearby area. About 14,000 displaced civilians live at the Red Crescent headquarters in Khan Yunis. 4 martyrs were evacuated today to Nasser Hospital following an Israeli strike that targeted a group of citizens near the Jordanian Field Hospital in the west of Khan Yunis. A number of civilians were also killed and injured when the Israeli army bombed a house belonging to the family of Abu Ziyada in Al Amal neighborhood in Khan Yunis. Another Israeli strike bombed a house near Al-Aqsa Martyrs Hospital in Deir al-Balah, killing 8 civilians and injuring 35 others. The health ministry said that 38 martyrs and 40 wounded civilians were evacuated to the Jabalia Medical Center following Israeli aerial attacks on Jabalia during the past hours, adding dozens of victims were still buried under the rubble of buildings. Dozens of casualties were also reported in Israeli aerial and artillery attacks on different areas of Gaza in the morning and later in the afternoon.